Welcome to Noel's Kitchen here in Ireland. I have a recipe today that is so easy. I want that everybody to try it out. But I'm using like cupfuls so that it makes it so easy. So I have 1 cup of sugar. I've got half a cup of butter. Mix this very quickly until the sugar gets around and kind of mixes with the rest of the butter. So then what we have is we've got our eggs. So we're going to be doing 2 eggs, just to make sure that you don't have any shell. I'm going to crack it. Mix it again. Then, the next thing, you're going to add your flour. I've got 2 cups of plain flour just into the bowl. So really simple recipe, that's why I love it so much. And then baking soda. So a level teaspoon of baking soda into it, and then mix. And then you get your bananas, 2 large bananas. Just pop them in. It doesn't take much skill to actually do this. That's why I love. You just mainly put everything nearly all into it. And last but not least, the likes of some buttermilk. So roughly about 2 to 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. Okay. And then just scrape around the outside to make sure that it's well mixed. Now, the whole thing is to get the likes of your tin. So I've got like a sponge tin, which I'm going to be making it in. So I always even though it's non-stick, I always like to line it. So it's how do you get it to really line it rather than having to butter all of the inside of the likes of the dish. So I've got the likes of paper, greaseproof paper. Okay, so I kind of fold it in half, and then half again, and then keeping the point, the middle bit, always to the bit. So you measure the likes of the center to the likes of what size you like the greaseproof, and then you just cut it nicely around. So then it should be a big circle. Okay. Like a circle like that. Place it on top, and sometimes it doesn't fit in rightly. What am I going to do? So I just take this one, place it in nicely, and just press it nicely down. So then when I lift it, I've got it perfect. Okay, so it's perfectly set in. So take my mixture, scrape it all around, and just pour it nicely in. Now, you can add different things if you really wanted to, to different flavour of the banana bread on top as a garnish. So we've got our mix nicely in. What I do, I always like something to look so good. So I've got my flaked almonds. I'm just putting some flaked almonds over the top of it. For me, this is the most exciting part. Now taking the banana bread out of the oven, and it smells delicious. With the greaseproof, we're hoping to take this out, and this is what you call my favourite banana bread recipe. And so easy for everyone. So everyone, get cooking and enjoy.